Hello, friends. I'm going to share with you how to boost your immune system while having your daily cup of coffee. So, you see there, I added my coffee and I added some dark sugar, adding a little bit of salt to add to the taste and the flavoring. And now we're adding in our velvety sea moss for added minerals and nutrients. It does give your coffee a kind of a smooth taste, even though it is dark coffee, black coffee. It makes it a bit smooth and velvety, and it's just very enjoyable to have. And it's also very good for you. So there you go. We added our hot water, fill it all the way up to the top using our original enamel traditional mug in Jamaica here. Alright, so enjoy CMOS in your coffee.
CMOS heals the body by removing harmful chemicals that are caused by some foods we eat, hormones, toxic substances, and radiation from 5G from our devices. Heal your temple with the minerals of infinite oceans. CMOS has over 90 of the 102 nutrients our body needs, like copper, which creates balance and harmony. To learn more about CMOS health benefits or to order your first premium grade CMOS, email italkitchenstyle@gmail.com.